Hi guys, and welcome to my first advent calendar unboxing video of 2018, and actually I believe this might be my first ever advent calendar unboxing. I'm not sure how I'm going to put up one of these a day. I feel like I'm already struggling and it's day one, but I'm going to give it a good go. Since I didn't know what letter to start with, I'm going to start with A since that's alphabetical order. I am wearing a jumper from New Look, and I feel like every single blogger has this jumper. I'm sure you've seen it on Instagram. I probably should have bought mine in a size down, and I don't typically wear high necks. I'm not sure if they really suit me. I do have quite a long neck, but I just feel a bit like restricted in them. I thought I would wear it anyway because I do like it. It's quite a fun jumper. But let's get started with this year's Amazon Beauty Advent Calendar, which is available on Amazon for £50. I actually did buy mine with a voucher that Amazon provided for me, so you can get it on Prime delivery. It's really easy to order. I love Prime delivery a little bit too much, if I'm honest. Inside there are 24 boxes, 20 different brands, so there are a couple of brands that are repeated. And other than that, I don't know too much about what's inside. I've got like a sneaky idea with some of them, but largely it's all new to me, as I assume it is to a lot of you, although some of you may already watch some unboxing videos. As I showed in my advent calendar video, if you haven't watched that, I'm going to link that down below. It was a big roundup. How this advent calendar works is you pull out a box, this is box number 1, and then you open it and then you dispose of this box or whatever you want to do. I mentioned in my previous video that you can reuse this and put gifts in them, or you can slide these in the top and reuse this calendar next year. I read some reviews and some people had reused last year's one by just simply plonking in the box in the top. This does open up. Collected minis throughout the year and just re-gifted it this year. I have actually opened box number 1, and if you guys watched my roundup you would see that I've unboxed box number 1. And inside box number 1 is a muslin cloth and a pie hydrating cleanser. This I think is a really lovely one. I haven't tried too much from Pie, but I do think it's quite a nice brand. Hydrating cleanser. I am down for hydrating cleanser, and I always need new muslin cloths. On to box number 2. Obviously this video has lots of spoilers. I feel like that's obvious if you're watching this video. Inside box number 2 is a sleek matte me. I actually think I have this one. I do. It's in the colour Birthday Suit. I love this matte lip cream. I think it's really good. It isn't an expensive product. It's probably about £7 or £8. So I guess already you've made up about 15% of the value of this. So that's not too bad. I actually really love this. Carrying on, this is my favourite pattern. I think that's really adorable. Got an itchy nose. Inside this one there is a John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Agent Touch Up Creme. As with any advent calendar, there are going to be products in there that aren't necessarily for you, and that's just something you need to bear in mind. It's not like when you're going to shop and spending £50 you're definitely going to at least use everything that you buy, most likely because you've chosen it and it's probably suited to you. This isn't necessarily suited to me. I mean, the ends of my hair are a bit frizzy today, but typically my hair is quite limp and frizz is not my biggest issue. My biggest issue is basically the opposite of frizz. It's just that my hair is so limp and drab. I'm sure some people would love this product, and this is a sample size. It is 30ml, so very good to travel with, and I think advent calendars are great if you're just looking to kind of build up your collection of products to travel with for the next year. On to box number 4. Even cuter print, really love that. Inside is some James Read. I love James Read. This is a James Read Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Tan Mask. Sleep Mask Tan Face. It's basically a gradual tan for your face. I really like James Read. I like gradual tans for my face. I don't use gradual tans anywhere but my face, but I love a gradual tan for my face. Especially over the festive season, I feel like the 4th of December is a perfect time to get a product like this because it will carry you through December, where typically we're all looking a little bit paler because we haven't seen the sun for a little while in London. On to box number 5. Sorry, I feel like I'm rushing through this, but there's 25 boxes. A Max Factor Full Slash Epic Mascara. I haven't tried this mascara, but I love Max Factor mascaras. I think they do some of the best drugstore mascaras, and I'm assuming this is probably about £10. So again, you made up about a 20th of the advent calendar, which is pretty good really. And I'm very excited to try this actually. It's in the colour black, so it's not like they've put in a silly colour. I hate when they put in like purple mascara. What percentage of people actually wears purple mascara, but very much looking forward to trying this. Oh, maybe I have used this actually. I feel like this brush looks familiar. It is the wackiest brush I have ever seen. Box number 6 Another product I love is the Rouge Edition Velvet by Bourjois. This is in the colour Velvet 29. My only issue with this, I do think this is a very similar colour to the last Sleek Lip Cream, but I love this colour. They're both my sort of colours, and I think they're both very wearable colours. Again, I'm very happy that they're not putting in wacky colours like a black lip cream. I have seen that done in many an advent calendar, and I think it's too wacky and you end up with products you're not really using. Really, so far I've only had one product that I wouldn't use, and that's still one product that I could definitely find someone that would love it and use it. On to number 7. So this is where the prints start repeating themselves. I'm totally fine with the box print repeating itself. Oh, this is cool. This is so good. There are so many drugstore products in here, but I'm totally fine with that. They're not cheap drugstore products. They're great drugstore products, such as the Eyelure Definition lashes in number 128. Again, perfect for December, perfect for party season. You can wear this on Christmas or around Christmas, New Year, or whenever. I feel like lashes are just great. Full size, this probably costs about the £7 or £8 mark. I think you really are getting a good value for money with this box, so far at least. Box number 9. Again, another product. I already have one of these. Clearly I like this, like I found that so quickly. This is Sally Hansen Gel Rehab Overnight Renewal Mask, which helps repair nails to pre-gel condition. Wash off in the morning. Another great product. I personally will be having gel nails probably throughout the December. Who knows, in January I'm probably going to give it a little bit of a rest. At the moment I'm giving it a bit of a rest as well. And then this is the perfect product to use. And again, I think this is about the £8, £9 mark. These are guesses, but I believe so. Box number 10. This seems like it's a small product. I'm guessing some sort of pencil. It is a pencil. It's a mini pencil as well. This here is the Super Stay Liner from Wonder 2. I've never heard of the brand, but that's the kind of the nice thing about an advent calendar, is that you can try brands that you've never tried. This is the first brand I've never heard of and never tried, but looking forward to trying it. It's quite a small pencil, but that's okay. It's kind of like a taster, I guess. If I love it, then I can purchase it. I missed box number 8. Apparently I can't count. Oh, this is a really heavy and full one. Inside this is Love, Beauty and Planet Shampoo. Never heard of this brand either. Sounds interesting. This is quite a good travel size. This is 100 ml, so you can still travel on a plane with it, but it's still a nice amount. Smells good, and it's vegan. Definitely something I would love to try. Oh, this is such a mess for my boxes. I feel like I really messed up the numbers. Box 11, quite a small product inside, but one of my all-time favourite brands. Again, inexpensive brand, but I'm totally fine with that. This is the Real Techniques Finish Brush, a mini one. I've never had a mini Real Techniques brush. These are great because the actual size of the head I don't think is too small. It's just the actual handle that's a little bit smaller. And these are perfect for your handbag, perfect to throw in a clutch over party season. Very excited about that. We're approaching halfway. My boyfriend loves these. Like, he doesn't really use any beauty items but this. These are the Biore 6 Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strip. Again, these aren't overly cheap. They're between £5 and £10, I believe, and those will be going straight to my boyfriend, who'll be very happy. Number 13. Ah, this is a Shine and Fragrance Spray from Percy & Reed. Never used this. This is a 50 ml. I don't really like the fragrance, even though it's a Shine and Fragrance Spray. Maybe it gets better. Oh no, maybe it does get better. I feel like at first all I could smell was hairspray. That is quite nice. It's quite floral. That's cute. Box 14. Look, it like got stuck. This is a hand cream from Crabtree and Evelyn, which I believe is a really lovely brand. This is an ultra moisturizing hand cream. Again, love a hand cream. On to 15. Slightly bigger product. I have this in my shower. Actually, I think I've got a different scent in my shower, but I have had this scent in my shower. This is the Ritual of, I'm not even going to try, Harmonizing Foaming Shower Gel. Really love this. It's from Rituals. A great mid-price brand. It's not just drugstore products in here. Love this product. We'll definitely use this. And again, a mini size is great if you're going to travel at all next year. That's a 50 ml. Oh look, like it's not falling. What happened here? There we go. Where's the other one? There. unsure. Box number 16. A deodorant from a brand I've never heard of called Baxter of California. Aluminium free, sensitive skin formula. Citrus and herbal musk. Oh, it smells quite nice, but I don't know what it reminds me of. Like a Radox bubble bath I've used in the past. Oh no, maybe it's Vicks. Oh, I'm not sure which one it is, but I do like the scent. Interesting. I guess it's not the glamest thing, but always necessary. And I always like, and I like when there's stuff like deodorant in here, because I hate buying deodorant. I feel like it's such an unexciting thing to buy, but it's nice that it was a bit different and something new for me to try as well. 17, quite an empty box. A lip balm, not an overly expensive product, but a great product nonetheless. This is Nivea Pearly Shine Caring Lip Balm. Quite an inexpensive product, but great nonetheless. Everyone always needs lip balm. On to 18. An eyeliner. I love eyeliner. Oh, I've never seen this one. It's called Ink Me, and it's by Renewal. Oh, it's a stamp tattoo. So this is another product I probably wouldn't use. This is the second one out of 18 that I probably wouldn't use, but it's fun nonetheless, just not really for me. It's a heart-shaped stamp. I mean, really cool. I just don't want hearts stamped anywhere really. That's okay. On to 19. A sheet mask. Love a sheet mask. This one is by Simple. I love Simple sheet masks. They're inexpensive and great. Again, not that expensive, but I think that's okay. I think you are getting value for money in this advent calendar, but I am going to add it up and work it out for you. This is the Rich Moisture Sheet Mask. Again, during winter, I always need some Rich Moisture sheet masks. 20. I saw that. This is actually one that I saw somewhere, that it was in here, and I totally missed the L'Oreal Balmain collection. Actually, I'm not sure if it was like a... I don't know too much about it, but I didn't get anything from it, and I was excited to see that this was in here. This is in the shade Domination, which is like a dark kind of burnt red. Really, really beautiful. Such beautiful packaging. I really like these L'Oreal Colour Riche lipsticks. I believe it's a Colour Riche, I'm pretty sure. So very excited to see that in here, and it's quite a luxe looking one as well. One that I'd be very happy to pull out of any bag and apply on the go. Really beautiful. Very excited about that. Box number 21. This is from Patisserie de Ban. It's another hand cream. I'm okay with there being 2 hand creams. I feel like it would be nice if there's something else, but it's okay. Hand creams are something that I always get through, or if it's not me, someone else that I know will get through them. Everyone's always chasing me for hand creams. I've used this one before. I really like it. This is in the scent Sugared Violet, which I really like. It smells of Parma violets. Not everyone's going to love it. I personally really do. And this is a 50ml cream. Again, not that expensive, but nice nonetheless. Box number 24 is stuck. Just the 3 to go now. Box number 22 is quite a heavy one. I love this product. I've been using this product for ages. It's my absolute favourite micellar water. I mean, there's a few other ones that are really pricey, but especially for the price, this one is excellent. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Love this. It removes makeup, cleanses and soothes, and you can use it on your face, eyes and lips. Love this product. Very happy to see this in here. Box number 23. Baylis and Hardy Luxury Hand Gel. Like a hand sanitizer. Not necessarily the most exciting or a luxurious item, even if it is a luxury one. I spelled it too soon, and all I could smell was the alcohol. Whew, like burnt my nose. Kind of smells very manly. I mean, this is probably like one of the least exciting products in my opinion, but again, I will definitely use it. I'm actually in need of a hand sanitizer to keep in my car for when I leave the gym. Got to hand sanitize those hands after you leave the gym, because I just feel like the gym is such a disgusting place. But this is the last box, completely finished. I'm gonna put them back in. So let's see what's inside. So we end on a bit of a high, I guess, from quite an expensive brand. This is Elemis Pro Collagen. I have no idea. Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. So I guess this is potentially for a slightly older person, but I do think that it's such a small tube that even if you're a bit younger, you can get through this on days where you're a little bit drier. I love Elemis. I mentioned that in my last video, so I am excited to see this in here. It kind of adds a bit of value again to the box. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. This is a 15ml. So overall, I think this is a really lovely box. As with everything, it's not going to be for everyone, but for me personally, I really like it. I think had I spent my own £50 on it, I think I would have been very happy with it. Out of the 24 products, there's 2 that I won't use, but the rest of them I will. I think there's not necessarily luxury products, but you're not paying a luxury price, you're paying just £50. And I think there's some really great products, especially if you love beauty, because otherwise there's potentially a few products that you won't. But I do think it kind of caters to everyone, because we do have a anti-wrinkle day cream, but also there was some lip creams which are probably better for younger ages. So I've had a good look online, and I haven't worked out how much, like what the value is of everything altogether. But I definitely think this is a good value for money box, because the LMS product alone, which is in day 24, sells on Amazon for 15ml for £29 something. So you're only paying, so that alone is almost £30. The deodorant, for example, is £15 on Amazon. So you've almost made your money back just with those 2 products. I do think this is a good value box. Inside, product wise, I personally really liked it. I liked the variety. I would be very happy with this box, but I do think the advent calendars are a very, very personal choice. But that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to link all the products down below, the advent calendar down below, my blog post with 70 advent calendars also down below, and my previous video as well. But do let me know which box you'd like to see me open next. Like this video if you enjoyed it, send it over to someone if you want to give them a hint that maybe you would like this advent calendar before the 1st of December. Also, I would love your opinion in the comments. Let me know if you like this advent calendar, if you think it's a good value for money or not really. I shall see you all very soon tomorrow in my next unboxing. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, so you're going to have to wait and see, because I have to pack this up and then pick what I'm going to film for tomorrow. Bye!